This is problem number 7 from the review. Here we have a table of smoking habits, and the question is one person randomly selected, find the probability that this person is a man or a heavy smoker. So what we need to do first is to figure out some totals here. So let's take out our calculators and add up some numbers. Let's add up the number of men total here. That's 422 plus 39 plus 72 plus 36. So we have 571 men total. Let's add the women. 360 plus 85 plus 77 plus 44. And we have 566, and if we were to add those two up, we should get the grand total 1137. So our totals are 571, 566, 1137. And we should similarly do the same thing here. We have 784. We have 124. We have 149. And we have 80. And hopefully when we add all these things up, it'll add up to 1137. So to answer a question, we have 571 men and heavy smokers. There's 80 of them. So the probability of getting a man or a heavy smoker is, according to the addition rule, probability of getting a man plus probability of getting a heavy smoker. And if we count the men and the heavy smokers, we'll see that we'll actually count this number 36 twice, so we need to subtract that out, man and heavy smoker. So probability of getting a man is 571 over 1137. Heavy smoker is 80 over 1137, and then we want to subtract out the 36 over 1137. So let's just do that in our calculators. 571 plus 80 minus 36. We got 615 over 1137. And we should get the decimal for that. We got 5408 or 5409. So about 54%, 54.09%. Part B, one person selected, find the probability of getting somebody who's a regular or a heavy smoker. So a regular and a heavy smoker. Regular smoker or a heavy smoker. Now for this, it turns out that these two events are mutually exclusive, which means they don't overlap. And so we don't need to subtract anything out here because their intersection is 0. So we simply need to look at the heavy smokers, 149, and this is out of 1137. And the probability of getting a heavy smoker again is 80. So 149 80 is 229 and divided by 1137. So we have 229 over 1137, or 0.2014. Okay, that's problem number 7.